Hi, uphume igazi. What happened?
Wait, Gillis. Utsomadi. Batla toro kwele. Uri ngwe. Fake shit. Twaela wena.
Because I've been tortured for many years with this man.
Nah, I'm speechless.
I don't want. I don't want.
O shotangi.
Selo.
Eh? Shota wena. Okay, tamam. Kana masipa wena. Hey bro, what's happening bro for me? Kana disa ka sister.
Baby,
Unyaka ubulelani wena?
please.
Ngonyaka ubulalwe.
No, please. Please.
Ke mo tshepile motho.
Ke marata ka plaka yo. Lenze angikira sa ingikira sona but ke marata.
Welcome back, Go Street Journal. I'm your host, Portia, aka Love Hooch. I just want to say shout out to everyone who is watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, like yonkinto, like enzani yonkinto bafethu. You know, this is the show where thina sifuna yabanjani abajolayo, abachithayo, like isipaleleni, simncedeni njengalo bhuti lo uzositshela yena ukuthi kwenzakalani. Singamosheli isikhathi, simncedeni size ukuthi uthini yena. Shoma bra.
Fida ke shabu sister.
Oh, bitso umang.
Ke na soli.
Okay, Soli, ushap.
Ke shabu sister.
Okay, Soli urungwalet like nyaka store hore wetsa lang. Why urungwalet?
Sister ke le kwaletse. Pela ka botlhoko man.
Songiswa yini impilo?
Na le mosadi sister. I tlhoke sepe ka montlung wa bana. I just found out uri one cheater so wa bana, but I was not aware. Wa bana. And I tlhoke sepe ntongoleng e monate. But only to find out uncheater ka brafan me.
How do you know that information hore o shoot Africa Prime Family?
Ke botsa ke bomaki.
Yeah, bo Mike.
Na ke steng o kono kena kukuna.
Yeah.
So no se ke tlekele Rustenburg nyana ka find out ba mfounela.
So, okay. Unyaka find out hore ba o cheatela nkere. Unyaka is sure hore ki chomi ya hao o cheatela nkere. That's why you called us nkere.
Yes.
Okay, ska wara rona re tlo etsa information re find out tse di shosho hore ke yena chomi ya hao o cheatelang le yena or it's just another someone nkere.
Okay.
Wa mrata msaro wao.
Kamarada sister tata.
Unsho wena o muchiteli.
A ke mochitele se se ke kopana le ena ke mochitele
Unsho.
kamarada
You have kids.
na le bana
Bye guys.
ba itre
By 3. So you guys should be raising a family, not cheating, ne? Okay, Skawara. I'll do something and then I'll come back to you.
ke ba monna
Yeah, sharp, ne?
okay ka lebo
Be sharp, okay? Okay, sharp. Okay, my brother uthi uyasuspect ukuthi umngani wakhe kahle kahle uye lo omdlelayo. But sina sizoyenza in showcase ukuthi siyamtholela ukuthi vele uye lo mngani or uye lo makhilo okhuluma izindaba zabantu ukuthi bayamdlela. But anyways, siyanthanda ku Street Journal. Keep on watching, keep on liking, keep on sharing. I'm your host, Portia aka La Push. Uthina ubhuti sinahelana. Ubhuti njani?
ngikhona sisi
Ngishapha ngibuyile isoro ukuthi ngikulandele eRusty ukuthi nje yabona mos since ungibhalele kunjani endlini how things
go thata sister go thata
yeah
kubi
okay so it's day 2 manje and umuntu wakho azini singa waste isikhathi convince information abo
ngiyacela sister
maka ngicela ngibonise okay okay now I'm back
okay
okay
wow umuntu wami lo
uyamazi lo guy
ngamazi
okay bala manje
uphila naye
Yes. Bala manje ukuphi la
bana isendlini yami la
yeah balapha manje so what do you want to do about this information
sister naruri
uzoba yenzani basendlini kumanje labantu lapha
bona kabanyaka
asebalanda let's go fetch them
bangijwayele
Let's go fetch them.
La machita babon le cherry keberesh. Fanayit umuntu akuskeberesh. La machita babon le cherry keberesh. Umkadu umuntu akangajuli ala wasonyela la.
I can explain.
Oh.
I can.
O explainer in sisi.
Khulela ngapha.
Wo, explainer in. Ubani lo?
I can.
Ubani lo?
Hima.
Ubani lona?
Hima.
Buti.
Awe.
Uyini yakho?
Mantunyaka.
Asitsho mya hawo. Asitsho mya hawo.
I'm sorry.
Mantunyaka.
Girlfriend hawo.
Ngijwayela wena. Endlinami.
La kusebenzile enye indoda wena ufunani? Unyakani?
Sajwayela wena. Endlinami.
Baby, don't.
Endlinami. Endlinami.
Sisi why ufeba? Sisi why ufeba? Ukhala kusizi mele ukuthi explain. No, ukhala akusizi. Sisi we. Yamani uyasikhalela manje umfazi wakho.
Ulala kama sapota mutho.
Ukhalelani?
Kama sapota. Acho kisiphe.
Musadi yaka.
Wena ungalasi emzini yabantu. Ungalasi uraselani ngoba kukwakhe.
Didima.
Wayikilisa.
Wayikilisa.
Hayi uphuma igazi. What happened?
Wayikilisa. Utsomadi.
I'm sorry.
Ka sapota.
I'm sorry.
Ka sapota.
Unathishunyana.
Ka sapota.
I'm so sorry.
Uthoka ngumuntu.
I'm so sorry.
Uthoka ngi. Uthoka ngumuntu. Kufa challenge. Wanchita.
Sorry.
Mara sikuwauchisa phela manje sekunegazi yazi sifuna into yokumsula.
Yangijwayela wena. Yangijwayela.
No, ungashayi.
Satan, ngiyamsapota.
Uthengincede
Ngitawubetha wena.
Abathanda.
Wena. Ungala masiba. Takwani. Ya. Iratla kwani dima.
something yokuthi ngingakusula yazi. Askizi.
Wayikilisa kama sapota mutho. Acho kisiphe. Everything itanga muntu.
Oza
Ungirastayela ngwano. Ngijwayela wena.
Askizi.
Every month kufa allowance. Ushota muntu. No, ushota muntu. So wanchi. Wamani wira.
Atakwani. Ugarunya muka.
Why umchithelelani vele?
Wayikilisa.
Manje uzilumile or phela ushayiwanga kwenze njani?
Wantwela mina basipha lena. Abathorike manga tsheko na. Lantwela lena. Mantunyaka. Ngicela masipha. Ngicela masipha mantunyaka. Ngicela masipha ngicela kwanthaluna. Kisayla. Ngithanda show. Sithi tsamina le show. Ngicela masipha lena. Ngicela man. Ngicela masipha wena. For shit. Uthina wena. Unjalo msayaka wena.
Mara why ushawa umfazi? Why wena upset?
Satare, mutasogoli. Kama sapota. Every month ngumufa allowance. Why ngira so? Why?
Awusi why vele umujelela umuntu vele wahawu vele. Kingwa why uyamsaba?
Akimuthabi.
Uthatha ke.
Abuto aruna le.
Unjala ka barriye.
Ma
Unjala ka barriye.
Onra.
Anjani?
uyezanga.
Wangabeletha always talking walena and nakuthonya.
Wenzani? Soma kumuntu wakho belulale naye ngenkani. Belulale naye ngenkani. Ulale nawe ngenkani.
Mantunyaka.
Askisi
Kita pula.
Wena.
Kebesaran aku, wena kita pula. Wena.
Askisi wawukhabeleza ururoba leliyena.
Takwani.
Wawukhabeleza ururoba leliyena. That guy. Why are so abusive mos? Abusive ishwa bawulwana njalo. Awusi. Wawukhabeleza.
Please don't. Don't, please don't.
Awusi. awusiwawubetha mshimane o wawubetha
selekire abortion ka ntlwae
wa dira abortion askisi nna dilo tse wa hamputsa tsona wait na ubizuru wena wana wa mochithela la wa suspecta ke mothuse dilo tsa di abortion la gore wa abuse sona ke ditsebi wait okay sugum I need you to come up. Oh, okay, MLL. Okay. Ausi. Kinya go to sane. Help. Maybe some help. Do you still love this man or do you still end up because of what happened? Do you still want to be with him?
I still want to be.
Mara, what can he fix? Maybe unyaka gore go be jang?
Abuse na le nyona.
Una le abuse. Wow, sharp. Does he beat you?
Yes.
Give it maponisa a to sort out this thing. Cause wa mona go rulwana jwang.
Maponisa a tlo mo tsara monna ka morata.
Oh,
a ka nyaki.
Unyaki
maponisa. A tsara monna ka. I don't like.
Okay, nka se mo tshwarise but wena ke nya go uthusa gore ba maybe u create counseling yana maybe cause au sharp shebe no au sharp wa u better mtho ngithole lusizo ne cause wenze i-abortion why wenze abortion why no yetsa abortion
I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care.
You don't
I don't care. Like now I don't care. I'm just fine. I don't care.
No murata ngwana or you just wanted to make an abortion?
I don't like him or her anymore. Because I've been tortured for many years with this man. So I'm good.
You are good, but you still want him.
I'm trying to torture him.
You want to torture him too? Or unyaka revenge, no?
Yes.
Do you think you're gonna get revenge?
I will.
Do you think so? With this abusive man, do you think you're gonna get revenge? Huh? Do you think you're gonna get revenge?
I will.
Do you think you're gonna get revenge, Elsie?
Hey, God, talk me. God, talk me.
How ubetha yena?
Bayitwisa. Yes, sir.
Dinza man. Man dinza.
Mara lo ngithole unayi kanti
Paul. Man unkanwira.
Kiyo muthu o abusang mos wa usashapi yena kiyo wa mo abusa.
Satere muthu mo support. Ukira baru wena akusaurata. Utomonna. Ubakiro tsa hao. Utoni pheke tsa hao ya kwenu. Ichayila ka wena. Unalena. Hanalena.
Ya kwena muthu. Ya ko muthu ashu.
Akubahapele.
Nakathi
no. Ke muthu wa.
So malalale na ungenkani.
Hey, azangalala ngenkani.
Mama mina yenze na kakhulu.
Ashulo ruwe.
Kaniti.
Ashulo mtsari wa ruwe.
Utaka sasa slice.
Ashulo mtsari.
Kuthamba mapolisi ngale case. Ngale case. Mina ngemathatha. Umbakala police station wena.
Ashulo mtsari.
Ya mutsiye tsotso mutsunyaka. Chief Tab.
Abut
Resolve ka.
Okay sister.
Ngithumbizini.
Ngiyabonga.
Umfazi wakho lo uyamthanda or kanjani?
Sister. Ngiyamthanda kodwa mtheke wena.
Mbulela.
Sabuthulu.
King.
Unjita kabra yakhe.
Bra like when why umdlela umfazi? Why? Ungathi
Ai ulle ke motlhokomele mosadi yena.
O motlhokomele?
Ke tseke hore.
So wena o motlhokomela
ko ntlo wa mo ra chumor byang.
Wena wa motlhokomela wa be wa monamela.
Au, ai a ke rena o
Wa bona ke ra snai. Ke tloka mosadi aka wena. Ke tloka mosadi aka wena. Ke tloka mosadi aka wena. Wa tshwela wena. Fucking shit man. Nang tshwela lo. Ke tloka mosadi aka wena. Sashi, a funa phoyisa mina. Ngikhathele. Ke na di case. Khale ke tshwariwa, ke lapile.
Mara why umfuna ukwazi ukuthi wayo abuse omunye umntwana?
Akimathi.
Why bomb fosterela ukuthi ayenze abortion?
Abortion?
Yeah.
Sana bana ba itiri. Ba bona.
O ban kwa.
Yena asanga mahapele ke yena na ro ntshamo. Wa maka.
Ay, ukhamelani.
One more.
Ya. Kamu. Ewen. Bo.
Ay, ukhamelani.
Kamu lah.
Lamana ke.
Umkhamelani.
Ya.
Lamana ke. Lamana.
Kamu lah.
Lamana ke.
Kamu lah.
Lamana.
Ewan.
Lamana.
Uira.
Uira ngwe. Uira.
Ewan.
Uira ngwe.
Ewan.
Uira ngwe. Uira ngwe. Uira ngwe.
Ewan.
Uira ngwe. Masunya ka wa. Ka shit. Tamo na. Tamo. Papa, unja msadi moto. Papa, suksu. Suksu. Papa, suksu. Suksu. Ay kwa la ba. Chala msadi wena. Snai kwa. Bana. Baka ndaparo. Atsa dipheka tsa hae. Ditso monna. Abazaye. Ya, ke shapo. Abazo montlunyaka. Abazo montlunyaka. Akabatle mathata. Ya abazo montlunyaka.
Ka hobatsa.
Abazo montlunyaka.
Ka hobatsa.
Itso montlunyaka saya. Itso montlunyaka. Itso montlunyaka wena. Itso montlunyaka wena. Usaphatha wena. Wena umbata tronkwele. Uri wena. Fucking shit. Twela wena. Itso montlunyaka wena. Sakana wena. Yamtshwela wena.
Why vele usatha maye?
Baka dipheka
Because
tsa
of
baka.
ucabanisa abantu.
Baka. Fucking shit. Abatshwe. Fucking shit. Abatshwe. Samaya. Saya. Fofo. Izo mtunyaka. Iswa. Samaya. Ya. Aksamaka. Aksamaka. Ya. Azaye.
Akisamunyaka le.
Ucabanisa li boyfriend
Asa-
yakho.
Akisamunyaka le. Lena ko kutuna ke lwana. Are.
Kumele ukuthi wena ucabanisa abantu.
Azomlifsha.
Akabanisi bathu.
Ucabanisa abantu ne.
Akabanisi bathu.
Ucabanisa abantu ne.
Kubula tsamaya.
Kumele ukuthi uhambe naye ngisho bona manje usamashini.
Bamkoshile.
Yeah,
Ohlala ku.
uzohlala nawe. Uzohlala nawe. Uzohamba nawe. Yeah.
Tamulukisa
Uzohlala nawe. Uzohlala nawe.
Ya, just kona yaka. Wena utarwala ndothi.
Tsamaya.
Ha wena abusive uthathwala umthwalo.
Hayi. Ergo rapar kabar jasa.
Yachisa kurki.
Watch. Tamutunyaka.
Eba.
Tamutunyaka. Urangwe. Matunyaka. Satwara wena. Satwara wena. Satwara. Twala. Twala. Wena. Namtshwela wena. Unjala msadi wena. Apola tose ko thabi. Apola.
Uyabona manje.
Unjala msadi wena.
Oza ngapha.
Matunyaka.
Oza la. Dokushaya man. Oza la.
Sabona.
Sukuma.
Twala wena. Rika pala crossaka. Wanyasa wena. Wanyasa. Pala crosso no. Pala crosso.
Dokushaya.
Mataji saka wena. Fucking shit. Urangwe. Fucking shit. Twala wena. Twala. Wait, give this all respect. Wait, give this.
Umyekele manje.
Ura.
Oza la.
Takanu. Kanyaka wena. Tamona. Njalo msadi wena. Toyichola.
Relationship. Ne? Ke nyaka o thusa gore o tswe mo abusing relationship ya motho ona ne. Ne? Siyendlini manje. Ne? Siyendlini ne?
Njalo msadi.
Ufuna ukuthi uphume kunomuntu lo cause uyak-abuse. Ayikho umuntu ozokushaya noma abantu sebakhona amaqeda besakushaya kanje. There is no way ukuthi angakushaya. Kubonke ke phansi. Ngaphansi.
Mama no sabona ngoba
Do you think this relationship is where phambili?
Because I
Awusayinyaka uyayibona na ukuthi angeke phambili ne. You need help ne. Gini kukuphi like you have to go back home. Hammanskraal. You need us to root to so gore o khutlele mrago o ye Hammanskraal ne. And then bana ba kae? Bateng ona mo. It's good that abantwana bale, and then you guys will talk the daba tsa maintenance and everything ne. But you need to go back home. You go back home or recover hanyane and stuff. Umyekele cause akekho right as a man. Cause uyakushy, uyakuforced ukuthi ulale naye. That's by the way. That's
why. Kana kone kinalena nasa irilo tiri adira. Nasa it. Totally it on. But you know, I did well for it.
Yeah. And how did
I'm not
deserve?
Use for it.
Yeah. And how did deserve, ne? And it's not your fault. It's not your fault, ne? It's not your fault. But you need to
Maybe
get
it
out.
is. Maybe it is.
No, it's not your fault. It's never your fault. It's never your fault. You just need help. Ne? You need to raise your kids. Babe abantu abasharp ne. Maybe there will be better men and better women again. Ne? Yeah. Because you can't raise them in this environment.
I'm so really tired about this relationship. I'm so really tired.
You are tired. Ne? Ulapile ne? I can see that. Ulapile. I can see that. Don't worry, we'll organize transport and everything, your clothes. When I come back here, Ratamai, Hammanskraal.
hey
Ana flop.
Sathangane
Somebody brass.
yeah
Sharp.
phambili
Ana flop. Kisnaye nangeni. Yeah.
wena o tsamaile mosadi o bola ke matswai nna ka mothusa a ke re wena o ntse kwa o ra rona le ba ba thusang ko mining kwa
You're gonna do that, Sankar. Utopaka today. Mangiza siyakulanda. We going. We abantwana bakane. We are puma lapha yana ngithi.
I'm even pregnant now.
Oh, okay. Let's uzoyisota out mase siphambili mase sifika Hammanskraal sizoyisota out ne sikhulume kahle ne nabanye abantu abadala ne. But now I need you to tell this guy that when I give him as much as aqosha ne. Okay, kiyo. Now.
Can you please just stop? I will just stop.
Yeah.
Can you please just stop?
Stop what?
Just stop. Because I'm pregnant.
Mimi. Kwana go WhatsApp.
hayi manje wena manje
Umbile ngwana ma.
Jesus.
Kokoro le motho mo ntlong ya go mbotori o imile.
Okay. Okwamanje it doesn't matter ukuthi uyimo umntwana kabanene, that one nizoyisota out esikhathi masihamba. Usisi ufuna ukubuyela kibo.
Sister, graba bagedi bag. Abasayiye.
Okay.
Ashidi, abasayiye. Fuck. Abasayiye. Abasayiye. Ashidi. Abasayiye, ashidi. Abatsamaye ke lapile. Ka bereka ba ke bereka la masepa nna. Hapake, Ashidi. Ashi bre hai, Ashi, I say ye, Atsamaye. Enough is enough. Devil is a liar. Kibaragala must say panna. Ashidi, about to sustain. Can I be the sustain? I'm tired. Agrani. Kutombawena. Yeah, le masukrita how. Kutoba kawata batu. Wena makina di saka sustain.
Baby.
Unyako bulela nwena.
Please.
Unyako bulela.
Please.
Batla monna.
Please.
Batlangi. Kuswanchita ko khosofatse mos.
Please.
Ako khosofatse. Umpakala mathoba.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for.
Sorry.
Ako support na baby. Ba tseba ka rata. Ko tsebise ke tlo nyala jo. Ako support. Garaba ko support na. Or se lo bona go isale tsogo. Se lo tlhoka montlu. So nchita. Why? Di camera di tletse mo for wena. Di camera for wena. Why?
Gidi ba?
Wa thoma wena.
Ema. Reza mo
Ba o kale.
Ema.
Awusangaka baba. Akusandifundisa.
Na ka rata.
Kishapha na.
Okay. What's
Ke
it?
rata tshepo.
Rata tsep. O khotsofatse. Na go khotsofatse.
Ishana matter go khozafatsa.
Baby, kupona mbudzo o shota mo ntlu.
Ngisho
O
tisilo.
shotang.
Silo.
Shota mo ntlu. Shota mo ntlu wena. Shota mo ntlu wena. Shota mo ntlu. Kala masepa wena. Mantwela ngwana man. Ka bota sanrata. Kalanketsa ngwana. Fuck man. Ya kalanketsa.
Mususelangen.
O golla bana wena.
Askis, manje ngifuna ukuthi ulale yazi. Ngifuna ukuthi ulale.
Ngithu aleki monaka. Ke tlo mo lwela until ke shwa. Sansa mo hello ke grile monna lena. Yano zatse nna ke nnelena. Ke za morate never. Ngaseke o pula ma. Ngaseke. Sansa amohele. Ke shapa ke.
Ufuna ukuthi
Ke shapa.
Now I'm speechless. Do you still want that man?
I still want him.
You still want him?
He is mine. He is mine.
He's yours.
Won't let him go. I want.
You won't let him
I
go.
want.
What about him?
I don't love him anymore.
You don't want him anymore.
I don't want him anymore.
They don't
I say
want.
so.
Maybe.
Please don't touch me.
Maybe.
Please don't.
Sorry.
Please don't.
I'm sorry to.
Ungamthinta.
You are a home wrecker. You are a home wrecker.
How?
Tabana no phula baba.
Umosha umshado wakhe. Angizobona umshado
Tabana no
wakhe.
phula baba.
Umshado wakhe uyawumosha the way uperfect ngakhona.
I want my man back.
Uthe uyamiyeka nini manje?
Nami anginamuntu.
Hayi uzothola umunye umuntu estradini.
Ngithanda yena.
I don't. Please.
Wozala.
Please don't touch me, please. I beg. Don't. I don't want. I don't want.
Also so o tlo dula mo relationshiping bonile gore ba o bethile ka face kana you want those face gore ba o shape ka tsona until you die.
I will defend myself. I will defend myself. Once I'm staying with that man, I will defend myself.
You just defend.
I
How
love him. I want to stay with him. So there's nobody else who can tell me how I must stay with that man or what. Can I please stay with my man?
Awusanyaka thuso.
No.
You don't want it anymore.
No.
Or maybe rufe nakonyana and then bese after some time you come back to us.
Maybe.
You share the phone number zaka and then you call me one day.
I don't think you'll ever get off phone yet. It's happening now. I know better than
Naki phone.
Okay.
I foresee danger and you said you are pregnant and the Chevelina Gabon. So ufuna ukushaywa nomntwanakho. Can't you save the baby first and then bese ke uzobuya after? Asisave umntwana manje ukuthi angakhuleli phansi kwalento le. Uzohamba uye Hammanskraal nithi like we spoke before. Asambe siya Hammanskraal solungisa izinto and then more so right when uzobuya uyi1 ubuye uzolwa nomuntu wakho.
Akisakulwa.
Niyalwa mosa.
Akisakulwa. Akisakulwa namo.
Ukudlela lina uzihamba nami siya Hammanskraal. Ne?
Akisabatla sim. Akisabatla. I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm so really tired. Kada mambohisa mo kaka akina. Excuse. But now you're just confused. You're just confused. No. Yazi ne. Ngono sikupakele namhlanje ne. Uhambe. Siye Hammanskraal now ne. Kona mokemela monate. Aze nna re lokisedi. Ke marata ke mo sorisa ke ne ke marata ka plaka yo. Lenze ankira sa ankira sona bati ke marata. I wonder what I know.
Wamatla no?
Amrata. Do
you think you love him or you scared of him?
I don't think I do.
I think you're scared of him.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm not scared of him. I just love him. I'm not scared of him. He has scars. It belongs to me.
Yazi into engiyibonayo ukuthi uyamsaba.
I don't. I even don't. I can't even think to fear him. I can't. I just love him and I don't fear him.
Okay, mina sisi ngizokushiya nomuntu wakho ne. But ngicabanga ukuthi kuzoba right ukuthi mangabuya futhi ngizokuchecka ukuthi u right yabo. Because I don't think ukuthi right.
Right.
Yeah, mara I don't think ukuthi right. It's fine. For my own satisfaction, mina ngizobuya ngizokuchecka ne.
Okay.
Ukuthi right ne. Uzoba right for today. But ngamanye amalanga ngizobuya futhi ngizochecka ne. Unakekela umntwana ne. Diskalwana like always protect umntwana.
I will.
Ne?
I will.
Protect umntwana. Unakekela. Unakekela umntwana, please. Unakekela umntwana. Guys, I think siyayivala manje because niyambona sisi uconfused and emotionally bam abuser asivaleni sizokhuluma naye.